Shaping the future with the power of the past. Introducing Liv McKenna's next generation 5 Axis Cnc tube bending machine, PUMA. In the heart of industrial manufacturing, PUMA brings together perfect curves and maximum precision in tube bending operations. With a strong global presence in the defense, automotive and white goods industries, PUMA offers seamless integration from design to production thanks to its fully compatible interface with Solidworks. PUMA means freedom in design, perfection in production. Equipped with optional drilling and tube cutting modules, PUMA is more than just a machine. It's your production partner, packed with advanced technologies like daily reporting, Industry 4.0 compatibility, multi-diameter tooling, supporting 3 different die sizes, collision simulation. PUMA combines cutting-edge features with ease of use through its ergonomic screen and intuitive LiveMark interface. With PUMA, you're not just shaping tubes, you're shaping the future. Liv McKenna, the unbending power of Turkey.